it's Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. आज का वीडियो काफी ज्यादा स्पेशल होने वाला है. टाइटल पढ़ के आपको समझ ही गया होगा. इट्स रक्षाबंधन गिफ्टिंग आइडियाज. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ बॉयज रियली वॉन्ट टू गिफ्ट समथिंग मीनिंगफुल बट उनको नहीं समझ आता कि क्या करना चाहिए. सो आज का वीडियो काफी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाला है आप लोगों के लिए. आई एम गोना शेयर फ्यू ऑफ माई फेवरेट थिंग्स एंड जस्ट इन जनरल ग्रेट गिफ्टिंग आइडियाज that you can gift your sister, even your wife on some other occasions. But yeah, काफी ज्यादा helpful होने वाला है. So make sure you watch it till the end and let's get started with today's video. Gifting option number 1 is bags. So सबसे पहला recommendation होगा tote bags, especially this one from Lavi. I have been using it for a year now and उसका zip खराब नहीं हुआ. Everything about it is exactly how I have received it. Also the print on this kind of gives a Michael Kors Duke kind of vibe. But again on a budget. ये लावी का बैग है. Again quality is really good. I love this detailing and as I said मैं 1 साल से यूज कर रही हूँ and अभी तक वैसे ही इंटैक्ट है. And this is great for women who are office going. As I said tote bag है तो काफी अच्छा स्पेस है. अंदर भी कंपार्टमेंट्स काफी सारे हैं. देयर इज वन जिप ओवर हियर. इसके अंदर भी देखो यहाँ पर एक कंपार्टमेंट है, यहाँ पर एक कंपार्टमेंट है एंड दिस अगेन हैज अ जिप डिटेलिंग. देयर आर 2 more pouches over here and the best thing, it has a zip over here जो सारा चीजें बंद कर देता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई majority of the tote bags that are out there in the market ये zip देते ही नहीं है. ये open होता है and then it just has one tic tac thing. 90% of the population travel by train. Okay, and I don't want my bag to be open like this कि कोई भी आके मेरा पर्स उठाकर लेकर जाए या कोई भी सामान इसमें से लेकर जाए. And you guys know especially in rush hours you need something that is secure. So that is the reason I really like this bag. Perfect for college going girls, perfect for women who work, have to go to office, or even for me when I need to go to my parents house, I need to carry few stuff. And छोटे से बैग में तो वो होने वाला है नहीं. And अगर आपको बड़े bags नहीं देने हैं and if you want to gift something smaller, something like this, then Miragio has you covered. They have so many different color options, style options, and I absolutely love all of their designs. So आप Miragio checkout कर सकते हो. Easily available है on Amazon and this is one of my favorite bags that I carry all the time. Also इसका color and the finish and the way it looks. Look at the straps that it has and ये आप ना ऐसे बड़ा स्लिंग करके भी पहन सकते हो. And if you just pull this thing you can wear it short, something like this. That's the thing I love about this bag. काफी ज्यादा स्पेशियस है. आप देखोगे तो एकदम छोटू सा बैग नहीं है. अगेन यू कैन कैरी अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ इन देयर. एज यू कैन सी काफी ज्यादा मैंने यूज किया हुआ है वेयर एंड टेयर. एंड ये इसका जो स्ट्रैप भी है ना काफी ज्यादा हैवी है. फ्लिम्जी मटेरियल नहीं है एंड अच्छे से सर्वाइव किया है. मैंने काफी ज्यादा यूज किया है. ऑल्सो ये कलर जो है सारे कपड़ों के साथ जाता है. दिस and this again goes with a lot of outfit. It will literally go with this outfit as well. That's the reason I really like this bag. And if you want something with a pop of color, कुछ इसे accent bag देना है, this is a little bit small but just like look how beautifully it's complementing. This will definitely be like a statement bag. तो काफी सारे ऑप्शंस दे दिए मैंने आप लोगों को. दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द बैग्स दैट आई ओन फ्रॉम मिराजो दैट आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. मेरे पास और भी है बैग्स बट मैंने ये 3 निकाले हैं आप लोगों के लिए जस्ट टू लाइक नैरो इट डाउन. अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ बैग देना है जो सबके साथ जाए देन दोज आर द ग्रेट ऑप्शंस. इफ यू वांट अ लाइक स्टेटमेंट ऑप्शन इसमें आई थिंक ग्रीन कलर भी अवेलेबल है बट या वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट कलर्स. Gifting option number 2 are watches. I cannot tell you enough how many DMs I get about my watches, how many comments I get about my watches. So I'm gonna share it with you guys ताकि आप भी आपके sisters को gift कर सको. So first one is this little guy. This is by Daniel Wellington, and I get so many questions for this one. Love the detailing. It has this beautiful strap. Again, something that will go on Western wear, Indian wear, literally everything. I wear it every single day, and it has a black dial. Again, Daniel Wellington has a lot of options, so you can just see. And of course, इसमें थोड़ा budget आपको थोड़ा high रखना पड़ेगा. I think this is like 10 or 12K. So अगर आपका budget उतना है, then you can definitely invest in something like this. It's a beautiful watch, timeless है, it will go on everything, and your sister is gonna love it. Another one of my favorite watches is this one by Titan. I love the gold on gold detailing. I love the dial. I love the straps. This is my favorite kind of strap. As you can see, gold is my favorite color, but of course if you want silver, you can go with silver. If you want rose gold, ये थोड़ा rose gold है दोनों. And if you want gold, you can go with gold, but look at it, it looks so good. It's definitely a statement piece. Also अभी थोड़े vintage watches का style चल रहा है. I'll also put a few options if you want something in the vintage side. I think Casio is a great brand to go for. And of course, if your sister is into gym, or if she's into walking, want to track that, then smartwatches again are a great option. जो भी मेरे favorite choices है, I'll leave the links for you guys down in the description. Moving on to option number 3 is anti-tarnish jewelry. I have so many haul videos about anti-tarnish jewelry. I'll leave the links up for you guys. So in case अगर आपको और options चाहिए तो आप वो videos भी देख सकते हो. Jewelry लेते हो from Zara, H&M, any brand that is out there. अगर वो anti-tarnish नहीं हुआ, it just turns black in less than a year. I have bought those pieces और वो 700-800 rupees के आते हैं, ऐसे भी नहीं कि cheap है. Okay, and those just don't last. But anti-tarnish jewelry looks like gold, last for a really long time. I think I have anti-tarnish jewelry since more than a year now. More than a year, and they still look exactly how I've bought them. So again, a great gifting option, and that is something that is gonna last as well. And itne zyada expensive bhi nahi hai. Everything is under rupees 500 rupees. So again, a great option for you guys. So the first thing I would suggest is bracelet stack. Great to pair it up with a watch. Again, I love pairing watch on one hand and then stacking up my bracelets on another. Again, great trendy thing. It has been trending for a really long time, and I think it just looks so sexy. Some necklaces, a few of my favorite ones is this one, and I love this 1111 angel number 1. All of them are anti-tarnish. This one is something that I have owned since 2 years now. और ये वैसे का वैसा ही है, no color change whatsoever. Absolutely love this one. And another one of my favorite ones that I love wearing all the time is this clover leaf one. And these are my necklace collection. Again, something that I have had them for a really long time, and they are literally exactly like this. Look at that gold, it just shines. It looks real gold, but it's not. Moving on to option number 4 is hair care kit. Especially if your sister has wavy, curly, coily hair, she's gonna thank you, because products कितने जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं, and it's kind of expensive to keep repeating the products. So yeah, I'm gonna share my favorite curly hair products with you guys, and of course if she has straight hair, I'll let you know what you can get for them. सबसे पहले let's start with oil. I have 2 products for you guys. This one is by Indie Wild. I've been using it for almost 6 months now. देख सकते हो पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, and I love using this on my roots. This has really helped me with my hair growth, and I have so many baby hairs, especially in the front, after I've started using this product. So ये hair growth में काफी ज़्यादा help करता है. And another one that I love for the length of my hair is this one by Curl Up. This is my second bottle that I have almost finished. Like again, I finished this. I'll definitely repurchase it. So yeah, my brother, if you're watching, you can like get this for me. So this is their Curl Nourishing Hair Oil. Love, love, love using this, nourishing my hair and then going ahead and detangling. काफी अच्छे oils का blend है, and it's really good. My hair loves it. So this is the oil combo. आप एक दे सकते हो, दोनों दे सकते हो. Moving on to shampoo. Again, I have 2 options that you can choose from. First one is this one by BBlunt. I have used it the whole of 2024, almost thoda first half of 2025 as well. Love it. As you can see, I've literally finished this whole big bottle. So good. Does not dry your scalp, does not dry your hair, cleans your scalp and hair at the same time without over drying it. Absolutely love this one. Similarly, this one from L'Oreal, it's their Absolute Repair Collection wala shampoo. Beautiful, beautiful shampoo. It's so moisturizing, does not dry out my hair, and my hair absolutely love these two shampoos. So great option for gifting. Moving on to conditioner. I know it looks small, but you can buy a bigger one. It's this one by Moxie. It's their ultra hydrating conditioner. This conditioner is so good. I'm definitely gonna buy a bigger bottle of this. It's so moisturizing, helps me detangle my hair, and after I use this, my hair just feels so soft. So soft. Love it. Okay, I have stylers for you guys, and if you're an OG, you already know what I'm gonna talk about. It's this one by L'Oreal. It's their Hydra Filling Night Cream. My hair loves it, literally loves it, and this is exactly what I have used in my latest wash day. This is a leave-in cream that not only curly girls, also straight girls who have a little bit of frizz could use. On your wet hair, just use a little bit, obviously on the length जहाँ पर भी आपको frizz होता है, and this is gonna help you with it. It's mentioned that it's a night cream, but I honestly use it as a leave-in cream and it works perfect. अभी तक जितने भी मैंने products mention किए हैं, this is something that you can use if you have straight hair, if you have curly hair, coily hair, wavy hair. All of this will work. But the next product would be specifically if you have wavy, curly, coily hair. So this is Schwarzkopf ka Extreme Hold Mousse. Straight hair really does not need this, but if you have curly hair like me or wavy hair, if you want something that will give you a little bit of hold, also moisture, I've literally finished this whole bottle. This and this have been like a great combination that I have loved so far. Now, all the products that I talked about, you can create like a nice gift basket with all these products, the oil, the shampoo, conditioner, and the styling products, and create a beautiful gift basket. Amazon पे gifting option भी है, so you can just order all of this product, put it in a nice gift basket and gift it. So yeah, a great hair care kit is a perfect gift for girls. And my last gifting option is again in a similar category, skincare kit. First one is this face wash by Forest Essential. Is the Delicate Facial Cleanser. This face wash, I have been obsessed with it since I've started using it. इतना ही मैंने use किया है, but it just gives such a beautiful luxury experience when you start using it. The smell of it is so good. So good. I absolutely love this face wash. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा gentle है. It's not gonna dry out your face. And once I wash this face wash off, my skin just feels extremely soft. So yeah, a perfect gifting option. काफी प्यारा face wash है. Moving on to toner, I have two options for you guys. The first one is this Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. Do you see the size of this? Yeah, ये एक साल के ऊपर चलेगा easily, and it's a very lightweight milky toner. I love milky toners and I feel it's extremely lightweight. So even if you have oily skin type, even if you have normal and dry, it's gonna go well with all the skin types. Serums मैंने इसमें include नहीं किया. I wanted to keep it very very simple. Next, I have two sunscreen options for you guys. The first one is this one by Wishcare. It's a fluid sunscreen. काफी प्यारा lightweight है, balances oil and protects skin. इसमें SPF 50 है तो काफी अच्छा protection भी है. Great if you have oily, normal, dry skin type. I have used this today, and yeah. Another a little bit more on the expensive side, but a beautiful sunscreen nonetheless, is this one by Beauty of Joseon. It's their SPF 50 PA triple plus. It's a Korean brand. It's a beautiful sunscreen, blends really well, does not leave white cast, very very lightweight. Both of them are great options. You can choose literally anyone. I did want to add a eye cream as well. Again, this is by Beauty of Joseon. It has ginseng and retinol in it. It's really calming and काफी अच्छे से ये effectively work करता है. I really like it. Again, This is a Korean brand. Love the results that I get from it. And lastly, I definitely wanted to add my favorite lip balm. It's this one by Laneige. Laneige has some really good lip balms out there. Laneige ke lip balms now, once you apply it, it stays moisturized throughout the night. That's the reason I absolutely love this lip balm. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Also Amazon पे Great Freedom Festival sale चल रहा है, which is gonna be live till 8th August. So make sure you get all the shopping done right now. I think 50 to 80% off चल रहा है सारे अच्छे brands पे. So yeah, get the shopping done now. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go,